want to get into these tandoori turkey sliders because they are made to impress, they taste delicious, and more importantly, you can eat with one hand and have a drink in the other. Welcome back to the channel, and you're here because you love putting a little bit of spice in your routine like me. So this Christmas, and actually at any time you're going to be hosting a little party or a little shindig, you want to be able to cook party food, create party food that is impressive, that's quick to put together, and will totally knock it out of the park with your guests. So I've got a little bit of turkey mince. Why? It's festive, right? But again, you can use it at any time of the year. So I'm going to add just some pulped onion. I've just pureed one small onion and turned it into this little pulp here. Why? Because rather than just adding chopped onion, I want all of that flavour to mix through our turkey patties so that you've got an even distribution of flavour. It's not just fabulously tasty, but you know what? Because turkey is so lean, it's a really healthy alternative. Then, sprinkling cumin seeds. Cumin seeds, love cumin seeds. You get all of that kind of like bite and texture. And the other thing, cumin seeds are great for you because they possess a load of iron. We want a little bit of heat, a little bit of firepower. So I'm going in with some green chilies. Now, I've been caught out before, right? How do you know which is chili powder and which is paprika? It's a deeper crimson colour with your paprika, and it's slightly brighter colour with your chili powder. Don't get that wrong, otherwise you might just add a little bit too much firepower into the mix. So I want that smokiness going in all the way through our turkey sliders. Boom, paprika, my son's favourite spice, goes in with a teaspoon chili powder, a little bit of seasoning, pepper, salt, the king of our spices, which is garam masala. I'm going to go in a couple of teaspoons, actually another one, it's a tablespoon garam masala. I'm going to add a little bit of vegetable oil at this point because when you start to mix all of those ingredients together, it combines everything beautifully. And with turkey, because it's a lean meat, we want a little bit of fat in there to cook from the inside out as well. Where would we be without our coriander? Hey, you need some coriander in there. That, I mean, it just looks fabulous in the bowl, and we haven't even got into mixing it. So these are the things that we're going to use to mix. You know, one of my little pet hates is, you know, when you turn up and you go to a party and you're dished out with plates of food, and then somebody plonks a glass of something nice in your hand, right? Cocktail, glass of fizz, beer. How on earth are you supposed to eat and drink when your hands are busy? That's why I love finger food, because it means you can have a glass of something delicious in one hand and graze with the other. And the other brilliant thing about that is nobody's then counting because no one can see how much you've had on a plate. All of that seems to have come together really nicely. Now I know that that's come together nicely because when I put the mix together, look, it's holding. That's what we're looking for. We're looking for a patty that's going to hold together. Right, notice, no breadcrumbs, no egg to bind it, because these are going to cook fairly quickly. So all I'm going to do is just create our little patties, and then we're going to fry them. I'm super excited about these. Throw them between your hands for a little bit, and you get kind of these little kofta shapes, and then just gently apply a little bit of pressure between your palms. Little bit of oil, I'm just using some veg oil. I'm just going to slick the pan okay? Because I want the burgers to get lovely, crispy as well. Oh yes, that is what you want. That is the sound of satisfaction. You just got this lovely little crackle. Now here's the other thing, right? If you like this vibe of what we're doing in our kitchen, look, here's the right thing to do. Share the love, like it, subscribe, tell people about it as well, but also try these recipes. And what I want to know is, I want to be able to kind of create recipes and remix recipes that you think, yeah, I'd quite like a little Urban Raja spin on that. Let us know in the comments. What is it that you want a little remix of? I'm telling you what, these turkey sliders, these will be the belle of the ball. Now, while those are cooking, what I'm going to do is I'm going to toast off our buns. And just squish them up in the pan. Just want a nice little kind of crispiness, because it just tastes great. You know, that's what we want to achieve. When you take a bite into something, you know, it takes a few seconds for your brain to register a flavour, and then the texture comes. These are the things that food memories are made of. We're cutting across the tomato, like that. Isn't nature amazing? That is just a thing of beauty. Martin, how are these smelling over there?
You know what? You just read my mind. I was sitting there thinking, they smell love.
They're lush. They're really, really lush.
And you know what? I've not had breakfast yet. So,
Haven't you?
No.
Here's the moment that I've been looking forward to. This is our slider build. I'm all fingers and thumbs because I'm excited. This is a mango and cranberry sauce chutney. And the way to make this, if you just head over to our Brussels sprout pakora recipe, then I'll show you exactly how to make this chutney there. Because you want the Brussels sprout pakoras as some little side friends to this. That is how you win friends and influence people. I have to get into this. That is so super tasty. Now I get the hit, texture, red onion, tomato, I've got the lettuce, and then I've got this heat coming through from our tandoori turkey slider. And then all of that wonderful jammy, fruity chutney. That is definitely one. That is definitely one that you want to feature on your Christmas party list. This is a guest you don't want to miss out on.
Is that one for me?
That one.
Is that for me?
This one.
Is that?
This is our pack shot, Martin.
Okay.
We're going to keep these for our pack shots. That is immense. That is absolutely immense. You're just going to have to take my word for it.